real main goal, I think, is that students should learn with understanding. So instead of just learning procedures and the how part of something, if they're doing something, they should understand what it means. They should understand why it makes sense. And a big piece of that involves kind of changing the dynamic in the classroom so that the focus is less on the teacher telling kids what to do and giving them a set of procedures and rules to follow, and more on hearing the students' ideas and kind of building your instruction based on what they're thinking. So in order to make that happen as the course is going along, you really have to solicit ideas from students. You have to have them share ideas with you and with each other. You need to have opportunities for them to kind of hash things out and argue things together and try and explain their reasoning and justify why what they think makes sense. And so in the process of doing that, the students not only do you get a chance to hear what they're thinking, but they also, as they're talking through all these ideas, they just develop a deeper understanding because they're forced to articulate their ideas and to sort of develop them as they talk with each other. In the courses that I taught, and this is especially true with the ASSET program in India, when we asked the students to kind of talk about afterwards what it was in the course that really stuck out as meaningful or important, memorable for them, almost, well, the vast majority of them said it was the independence of thinking. They said, it's like, this was really different for me. I learned to think for myself. I wasn't always just relying on the teacher. And I learned that I could actually think for myself and that my ideas were important. And that even when I thought I couldn't start a problem and when I didn't know what to do, I discovered that I actually could do that. So that was an experience that was really important to the students, and it's definitely, I think, one of the main goals of these kinds of courses. So really, no matter what the specific content is, whether it's number theory or real numbers or geometry or algebra or whatever, this theme of focusing on understanding and meaning and doing it through hearing students' ideas, that's going to be common to, well, to any of the courses that I would teach for sure.